profile information is basically information of the measurement site.
Let's use this measurement site as an example.
This measurement site has 5 sets of UPS systems. Each UPS system contains 50 units of batteries. In your profile information, you can set the profile number, the location information, the device information, the battery number to start and end the measurement, and the memory number that you want to save in the battery tester. Create different profiles for different devices for better management of data. Create profile information according to your measurement style, by measurement site, or by measurement target. By linking the measurement results to the information at each measurement site, you can reduce the number of man-hours spent managing the measured battery. You can create profile information by using our dedicated app GENNECT Cross or dedicated PC software GENNECT One. First, let's take a look at how to do it using the GENNECT Cross app. Plug in the wireless adapter Z3210 into the battery tester. Connect the battery tester to your mobile device via GENNECT Cross app. Input the location information, device information, the battery number to start and end the measurement, and the memory number to save the data. Once done with the input, transfer the information to the battery tester. Before beginning the measurement guide, choose the profile number to use from the app. Then choose a threshold that you would like to use directly from the battery tester. On the measurement site, receive the audio guidance about the measurement results.
Number 1, pass. Next battery number 2.
And battery measurement sequence based on the profile information and the threshold that you have chosen.
Number 2, pass. Next battery number 3. Number 3, pass. Next battery.
With audio guidance, you don't need to check the battery tester display for measurement sequence and results. This will prevent time loss due to measurement errors and allows for more efficient measurements. You can also create the profile information without connecting the battery tester to the app. Repeat the same steps as before to create profile information. Let's take a look at how to do it with the GENNECT One software. Connect the battery tester to your PC with the provided USB cable. You can create profile information in the GENNECT One software from the Console tab. Input the location information, device information, the battery number to start and end the measurement, and the memory number to save the data. Once done creating the profile, transfer the profile information to the battery tester. You can also create profile information beforehand without connecting the battery tester to your PC via Settings. Repeat the same steps as before to create profile information. The measurement guide function is also available on the tester itself. The measurement sequence and the measurement results will be displayed on the tester. Report creation. Once your measurement is done, create a report instantly with the profile information, measurement results and graphical information with the GENNECT Cross App or with GENNECT One software. The BT3554-50 series streamlines your battery maintenance process.